welcome. Today I am with Motorola Moto G200 and I'll show you how you can turn on and customize Always On Display. So the first, you have to open the Play Store and type Muviz Edge. We have to get this application from Sparking Labs, because when you go for the settings in this smartphone, you will not able to find Always On Display as a default feature. So we have to use the external application. Okay, so right now we can open, click to required permissions, accept all of them, then go for this green button and select IoT screens. In this place you can pick your favorite screen. I'm going for this one, so click apply if you want to pick this one or this one. Tap right here if you want to customize. That's a lot of options here. I will show you my favorite setup. Okay, and take a look right now. As you can see, everything is fine and Always On Display is working. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.